Today, we are going to explore different ways to earn money in Web3 using Bybit. To get started, we only need to deposit 10 SUI into our Bybit seed phrase wallet to participate and stake it to earn rewards from Navi Protocol. Step 1. Transfer SUI tokens. First, we need to transfer SUI tokens to our funding account. In this case, I will transfer 15 SUI to cover any trading fees. Once the transfer is complete, we will withdraw the tokens and deposit them into our Bybit seed phrase wallet. Simply copy the wallet address and paste it when prompted. After everything is set, hit Confirm. Step 2. Complete security confirmation. If this is your first time, Bybit may require confirmation via email and text. Just provide the necessary information to proceed. Step 3. Refresh and fund your wallet. Once you've completed the steps above, refresh the website and wait for your wallet to be funded. Once the balance appears, you can now click Start to stake your SUI tokens. Step 4. Stake your SUI tokens. Bybit allows staking with 10 SUI, so we'll proceed with that. Keep in mind the transaction fees and ensure you have sufficient funds to cover them. Once you're ready, proceed with the subscription process and you're done. Congratulations! You've successfully staked your SUI coins. This means you can earn rewards from Navi Protocol while holding your SUI tokens. That's it for now. Keep an eye on your account to monitor your progress. Until next time, have a great day.